Alright everybody, so if you guys saw my playthrough of Rebuild, the first one, you would know that story was honestly, garbage. Like, not gonna lie, the first Rebuild game was garbage, it wasn't really that great. But we're gonna play Rebuild 2. Now, I remember playing this on the Flash games back in the day, if you guys remember growing up in 2010s computer times. So we're gonna basically um do this. So we're gonna go spring and we're going to do pistol. Okay. Okay. There you go. We're gonna do, there you go. So there is typical, big, huge, or small. So we're going to go with huge, and there's pretty easy, kind of tough, challenging, seriously hard, impossible. I'm going to do it pretty easy, and we're going to name it, what shall we name it? If you guys remember Beavis and Butthead, that's probably what we're doing. Okay, so as you can see here, I like the second Rebuild game. It's much better than the first one. At least that's what it is to me. I prefer this one a lot better than the first one. It's a lot better. At least to my knowledge, but I can tell they've done some upgrades, you know. So we're gonna recruit survivors. Do that. So basically you have to like try and take back the city because there's a zombie outbreak. So that's basically what the plot of this is, just like the first one. But yeah, I like this one better than the first one. I'm just being honest, you know. I'm just being honest. So we're going to equip the shotgun. And we'll equip this girl with the pistol. There we go. I could definitely say that this one is definitely a lot better. The sequel to it is much better compared to the first one. Like, the first one wasn't really that great. I mean, it's nostalgic for people that like, well, Rebuild, but it honestly was just terrible. The reboot. I mean, not the reboot. I've not played the third one yet, but I do plan to play the third one in the future. So there is definitely gonna be that. I also do want to sit here and say is that while it is a fun game, I personally really enjoy it. I think it's pretty good. Like, this sequel is definitely better than the first one. I'm just putting that out there. Like, I really enjoy this sequel better than the first one. I don't know what it is, but I like this one better than the last one. It has a better storyline, at least to me. That is, I'm not sitting here and saying, you know, that it's terrible or anything like that. But yeah, this game is actually a lot of fun. It's a lot easier than the first one, at least to me. That is, because, you know, it's a lot easier, at least to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna be brutally honest. So, this is actually a lot better, at least to me. At least to me, I actually personally really like the sequel. I think the sequel is just as good. You know, it's just as good as the I think it's better than the first one. At least to me, it's way better than the first one. So, because you get more stuff, you get to do stuff, it honestly was just really good. Okay, so starving, that's not good. So we're gonna scavenge for some supplies. We're going to scout the area, and we're going to scout this graveyard. Oh, the danger right here. This is basically showing you, you know, threats of this. So, it can, so you gotta keep an eye on this, because sometimes if it's... Okay. Food spotted, so we're gonna get all this. Okay, let's kill zombies. There we go. But as you can see here, I really enjoyed this game. I remember playing this a long time ago. It was definitely one of the best ones that I can definitely say. It was fun. It's a very fun game. And I personally really enjoy it. So I'm going to do this. So there's that. And we're going to recruit these survivors. As you can see here, I like the sequel better because it's actually more interesting. But not only that, it's actually more let's do that. Okay, starvation. Okay, let's see. Okay, we need the supplies, so I'm definitely gonna do that. Okay, research complete. Found shotgun. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna reclaim this area. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And we're going to reclaim this and turn this into a farm. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay. No, I don't need the mysterious scientist right now, because I don't have... Okay, let's explore this laboratory. Okay, let's scout this big farm. Okay, let's scavenge supplies. Okay. Okay, we need a hospital. I don't see anyone nearby. Like, no hospital nearby, so we're just gonna grab that. Okay, let's play this. We got the kitty! Yeah, that's actually a really fun thing. So I'm going to build this into a farm. And we're going to have someone tend to the crops. So, got that. Let's equip them with the kitten. It's a really cute kitty. It reminds me of my cat Shadow. Because Shadow is a, black cat. So, ooh, a little dog. Okay, so we're so far doing pretty good. Okay. Okay, horde approaches. Okay, so we're going to reclaim this area. Alright, so we're going to... Oh, you can do hunting in this one. I know in the... Well... Okay. Okay, what is this? What is hunt? Okay, let's kill some zombies and... Okay, let's tend to crops. Let's put her... Yeah, why not? Alrighty. We got the big farm. We're gonna reclaim this area. And we're gonna have this person do that. Okay, we're gonna scout this area. I'm gonna play this in the spring and winter time, so they'll be in more than one video, most likely, but yeah, okay. So I'm gonna kill the zombies in here. Oh, recruitment success. Let's gather supplies. Okay. Okay. Yep. So we're just gonna kill some zombies here. Let's reclaim this area. Okay, let's equip this guy with a baseball bat. I hope he doesn't do like that, but, you know. Okay, we're gonna build a farm. Because we need more farm. Okay. Zombies killed. Let's reclaim this area. Okay, horde approaches. Okay, so I guess we can save this for the next scientist. So let's... Okay, only 2% danger, that's not bad. Okay, let's have this guy scout this area. That guy scout the area. We'll have her scout this area. And we'll scout this area. And you know what? I better scout this area too. Okay, so we're at 3% danger, so I don't want to increase too much danger. Because that's not going to be good if we do so. We're going to... Okay, we're going to have this guy tend to crops. So we're going to scavenge supplies there. And we're going to scavenge for supplies. Okay. Oh, we got a dog, another dog. Ooh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna send these two girls. We're gonna recruit this survivor. But yeah, they changed everything in the Steam edition. They changed everything compared to what they did on the original Flash game, yeah, so okay, we're gonna reclaim this area. Oh, there's a hospital. That is what we really need, that hospital. So I'm going to scout this church, and we're gonna scout there we go, level 10 soldier. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so we'll reclaim this, and I guess we can do that and recruit these survivors. Oh yeah, as you can see here, there's the percentage. When it's higher, that means, you know, higher your stuff, chances of stuff happening. So yeah. Okay, new survivor arrives, and okay, so we're gonna do this. All right. So yeah, if you guys remember playing Rebuild on the Flash games back when Flash was around before he died, let me know in the comments, because I want to know how many people remember this game. This game is nostalgic. I remember I played it a lot back in the day, and it was a lot of fun. Okay, we reclaim the farm. So we're going to put... No, I don't want her. This guy, yeah. Okay, now we want to reclaim this hospital, because we need it, and we'll reclaim this church, and you know, we'll do that. Okay, let's reclaim this area. Okay, let's reclaim this area. Alrighty. So far, so good. We're doing good on food. We weren't doing good earlier. Okay, I can't recruit any survivors right now, but what I can do is, do that. Okay, let's scout this big farm. Okay. Okay. There's nothing right there, so I guess we could. Okay, I don't have anything. I'm just gonna send these guys. No, not right now, but maybe in the future. Okay, so we're gonna scavenge for supplies. There we go. Alright. Okay, so we're doing good so far. Just gonna reclaim this area and I'm gonna turn it into an apartment. And we're going to reclaim this area. There's actually a couple endings in this one compared to the first one, so I mean, I really don't like the first game. Oh, a bank! Hey, let's rob money! Okay, so yeah, this is going to be in multiple parts because, you know, this game, I'm going to play it in the spring and I'm also going to play it in the winter just to see what the difference is. So let's build an apartment. There we go. Go. Alright. We built a farm. Now we recruit the apartment. So now we can recruit survivors. Alright, so let's kill some zombies. Oh, a new survivor arrives. Okay, that's good. Let's scout this apartment. Let's also scout this one. And we'll scout this mart or something. 812. That it kind of reminds me of 7-Eleven. Then, you know, it's a parody of 7-Eleven, which I think it's pretty unique that people, you know, made parodies of, you know, places in this game, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah. We're going to do that. Hunting rifle. Okay. Let me, kill the zombies in here. Let's reclaim the bar. And let's kill the zombies in this area. Oh yeah, I have a hunting rifle for that guy. Okay, we're doing pretty good. So I'm going to reclaim the Walmart. It's a parody of Walmart. Okay, we need a school. Oh, wow. Research complete. We're going to do that. There we go. Let's kill the zombies. Okay. So yeah, you guys really know this game is a lot of fun. Like, I've never met anybody who's never said this game is fun. This game is so much easier, in my eyes, compared to the first one. Oh, I haven't had somebody tend the crops over here. Let's do this guy. There we go. Okay, let's scavenge for scraps. You know. Okay. Okay, what should I do for this one? Well, I guess we could build another hospital. You know, there's nothing wrong with having two. I don't want to have just one hospital, you know, in case if, you know, anything were to happen to any of our survivors. So we're just going to do that. Okay. So we're going to kill... Do I have any weapons to equip this guy? Yes, I do. Horde approaches. Alrighty. Okay, so we're going to reclaim this area. When I get to day 100, I think that will be it for part 1. Because my dog is bugging me, so... Yeah. Okay, let's tend to the crop. Let's have this guy. Here we go. Let me have someone go search that. Okay. Let's do a radio. Here we go. How can survivors be at the bank? You know, it kind of makes me wonder. Ooh, look at all much food. I think I'm good on farms for now, but, you know. Let's do that. Let's equip her with these and do that. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, wow, there's a helicopter. So, let's do that. And I don't want to right now. So. Okay, let's reclaim this area and let's scavenge for supplies. Okay, no, I don't have anything for that guy. But this game is actually a lot of fun. I personally enjoy it. Okay. So I guess we can build defenses right there, and we'll also build defenses right here. Wow. Okay, so... Alrighty. Let's reclaim this bank. Too bad there's no money in there that you could steal. Well, maybe there probably was, but, you know. Okay, so let's have someone tend to the farm. Let's equip him with the baseball bat just so he's got something to defend himself. Alright. Let's scout this area. And, let's scout this apartment. Oh. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. So, we're gonna turn... Oh, you can attack the Last Judgment. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that right now. But maybe later. Alright. So, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So,